Trying to teach them a lot of things in the prison. So these things are made by the prison.
Yes, where are you? Yes, SEC.
Yeah.
Are you inquiring CSC to help the previous?
Yes, we train them.
Okay.
We will need to reach out a lot more.
Yes. Because we don't have money to give you, but we have experts. Yes, we teach the various crafts. And their director is here, so hello.
But this is a female princess.
I'm looking at your blackness and you're beautiful. That's okay. Yes.
We have flower vase.
Yes.
And then one. Yes. It's pen holder.
What water?
Pen holder.
And this is bracelets. Yes, of course, yes. Day names. With the day names. Wow.
And traveling bags.
Made with what?
Leather.
Wow. And this is also sold in the video.
Yes, please.
We're going to walk out home. We're going to walk up prison home. This is when you're job The thing is to finish, not come there at all. When you come, that you go out and go and get a good life.
Yes, madam.
Yes. With fascinators and all. Wow.
The prison with about 28 inmates learning what they do. With the cultural center, they have the different types of food. You are trying to see the inmates. We have a lot of the
And of course, our regular
time diet. Very good collaboration from the cultural center. With about 9 inmates learning how to supervised by a couple.
But you don't have to so we have to wear the batik, the kente, we have to buy Ghanaian products. And then the Ahinema
These are done at the leather shop at the central prison as well.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
12 inmates.
Yes.
Got me learning different kinds.
Right. So I teach this in my constituency as well. And I bought the labeling. So ours is called KS Products. K2 South Products. Yeah, so they should have a brand. Yes. So I bought it's a small machine. Yes. It's a small machine I bought in Togo. to label ours. Yes.
So that's a food for thought.
Yes.
You know. And lastly, we produce our own mineral water at the prison. We have
Wow.
Yes. It's a similar person that James can preach in the crowd. It's a wonderful, wonderful.
And it's approved by everyone.
Yes, madam. We have 6 inmates. 6 inmates who are learning the various stages of water production.
Right.
Now, hopefully, when they leave the prison,
They have something to say. Because the correctional facility as well.
that's the right thing, madam.
Awesome.
So this is the prison as a whole.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm impressed. So the next one can make challenge.
Yes, it should be an honor to have you.
So,
Pure honey. For agri business. And the voice, I'm trying. Agri business, honey, pure honey, any and come on, where would you able to be most come. Yarabia where would you sugar tea and out you are and one or yes, our power. Come. I work mass higher. Ababu, we have a number 0545 125599 0545 125599. Yes,
Wait, who's it from?
Yes, we are locally grown cereals. And the Akikaboma, the cereals from babies, any age. You are balance, so better protein, better fat, carbohydrates. Yeah, I say, I had to come here. Nerves because I would say, near my brains, they are not said, and found that they can't say, even nerves, they have
It's more packaging. You see, how many months?
Oh, okay. Let's get 2 years.
2 years.
Who tighten?
I really go on fire.
See only a tight. We baby are not there. What's not there?
Oh, Kumasi.
I'm warm. But who was found?
Where they are going to
Money Aduma.
all the best.
Honorable.
That's a thought. Okay. So what is this?
Tom Brown.
Ah, okay. So people are... It's delicious. It's not too sugary, so it's good. Aiko, he just told me that I should come and give you a shout out.
Yeah.
Because you're coming from my region.
Yes.
Akbar, but you live here? No. So you move everything from home. Is it? You heard about it?
Yes.
Wow. My next husband is from home.
Yes, I know.
Wow.
Serious. Ah, okay, of course. But in the heartbeat of home. That's where they're both from. Well, all the best. Ashana Hall. Yeah. All right.